Hi, my name is Wayne from InTimeWithMusic, and I'm just going to share a little bit of a demonstration of a cymbal that I put up for sale on eBay. I thought I'd give you a listen and a little bit of a look-see. It's a 22-inch. This is an Avedis Zildjian made in the United States. I bought this cymbal, let you see all of it here. I bought this cymbal brand new in 1969. As a matter of fact, my high school band teacher helped me get the school price on some cymbals that I bought then. I bought a pair of hi-hat cymbals. They're still in use today, 14-inch Avedis Zildjian hi-hat cymbals. Gary Peterson, the longtime drummer from the Guess Who, still has them and still uses them regularly. The 16-inch crash cymbal I bought at this time, I made a mistake of lending it and it got cracked. And that was the end of that. So this one here I've babied. I've kept it in the case the entire time. I truly love this cymbal. I adore it. It's absolutely beautiful. I've never loaned this cymbal. It's in incredible condition, which I'll get a little bit more into. But again, I bought this in 1969, so it's approximately 51 years old. Made in the United States in Norwell, Massachusetts. It was the automated anvil type cymbal, you know, at the time called Avedis Zildjian, and not the K or the hand hammered. This was the predecessor, and this was at the turn of the old-fashioned cymbal making into the modern day cymbal making, which gave this a ping sound. You know, a 22-inch ride cymbal up until about the late 60s had a real washed out, swishy kind of sound. You know, of course, the jazz players were all using them. But when the rock era came on in the mid-60s to the late 60s, they changed the formats. You know, the shape, the curve of the cymbal, the bow, the size of the bell, all of these effects came into place for a much, much better sound. Now, this cymbal, bring it a little closer to the camera, it has absolutely no flea bites. And how you check for flea bite is you run your thumbnail along the outer edge of a cymbal, and you can tell if the cymbal has ever been dropped or you know, struck with a metal instrument or anything like that. The butt end of a bass player, bass guitar. You know. But this cymbal is absolutely perfect, which is amazing. I used this a lot. I think I probably used this for about the first 15 years I was playing. As you can see, I did not clean the cymbal. I might have spot cleaned it or cleaned it lightly to keep the tone grooves fresh, but I didn't use any abrasive at all, chemicals or anything on this cymbal. The bell has absolutely no keyhole. It's almost like the day it came out of the factory. And the stamp, and the stamp for you. I don't know if you can see it. I am in natural light, so I can't really control the stamp as far as illuminating it. But it's right below my fingertip there. And again, this is the Avedis Zildjian Made in the USA series. Now, one of the reasons that the cymbal is in incredible shape is because I've always kept it in a case. And I am selling it in the case to help that whoever I ship this to has a good chance of having it arrive in perfect condition. The case will be also packed in a box. This is an older case, you know, so it shows signs of wear, of course. This case is just about as old as the cymbal. The bolt is missing out of the center. They used to put bolts in the center of these cases so you could stack all your cymbals on and then screw them down, but I took the bolt out. I didn't like it. I thought it was going to damage the cymbal. And like I say, I usually only keep this one cymbal in this case. So it's going to be shipped in this. This is a Nomad case. It's actually made in Vancouver. About 4 hours from Vancouver in a small town called Kamloops, BC. And Pro Drum, there's a Pro Drum sticker on here, but as you can see, it's a Nomad, made by Bill Feelick. who still makes nomad cases. And Pro Drum was a name coined by Ray Ayotte from Drums Only and Ayotte Custom Drums. And he used to relabel these cases, these nomad cases, with Pro Drum. So Pro Drum cases, nomad cases, were all made by the same people in the same factory. So that's it for the case. Now the cymbal, I'll just play for you a little bit. Get some sticks here somewhere. All right, so you can see it sits nicely on the stand. I haven't weighed this yet, but I'll put the weights in the listing. I don't have the greatest microphone on this. The microphone I'm using is actually a PV vocal mic, but I think it'll do for now. And it might be a little bit on the the frequency response might be a little narrow in the center. But anyway, I'll give it a go, and I'll leave the webcam mic on as well, and that might pick up a little bit more of the ambience, and hopefully you can hear the dynamics of the cymbal. Using a Dave Weckl wood tip. You can hear that drone, you know. It's not a wash, but it's just got this throaty drone to it. My favorite string instrument is cello, and it's really got that at the bottom, you know, didgeridoo kind of drone. You gotta love that. You can tell I'm gonna miss it. But it's got to find a new home where somebody's going to get some love and enjoyment out of playing it, because it is truly magnificent. No telephones ringing in the decay at all. Nothing, no abstract sounds. It's what it's supposed to be, you know. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.